Galaxy of Happiness. The Galaxy of Happiness is a yacht that truly epitomizes ultra-modern luxury and architectural brilliance on the sea. Featuring a unique trimaran structure, this 53-meter super yacht is crafted to deliver stability, speed, and luxury in equal measure. The trimaran design means that the yacht doesn't just look futuristic, it actually improves the vessel's fuel efficiency and wave-cutting ability, allowing it to glide smoothly and swiftly over water. On board, guests are treated to the height of opulence, with spacious suites featuring floor-to-ceiling windows that offer breathtaking, uninterrupted views of the ocean. Interior spaces are meticulously designed with high-end materials and a minimalist aesthetic, creating an atmosphere that is both elegant and serene. With expansive sun decks, multiple lounging areas, and even private pools, the Galaxy of Happiness is more than just a yacht. It's a floating paradise, offering the ultimate in comfort, style, and adventure. Onean Carver X. For those who crave high-speed thrills on the water, the Onean Carver X offers a whole new way to experience the ocean. This revolutionary electric jet surfboard comes equipped with a dual-jet propulsion system that gives it enough power to reach exhilarating speeds, making it perfect for both amateurs and experienced riders looking for an adrenaline rush. Unlike traditional motorized surfboards that rely on fuel, the Carver X is powered by a high-capacity battery, which makes it quieter and much more eco-friendly. Riders control the speed using a wireless remote, allowing them to adjust on the go, and the board's hydrodynamic design ensures a smooth, stable ride. Whether you're carving through waves at high speeds or gliding over calm waters, the Carver X provides a thrilling and environmentally conscious experience, making it ideal for water sports enthusiasts who want the freedom to explore without leaving a carbon footprint. Himiko Water Bus. The Himiko Water Bus, inspired by the imagination of renowned anime creator Leiji Matsumoto, is a one-of-a-kind vessel that combines art, functionality, and urban exploration in one elegant package. Operating in Tokyo, this spaceship-like vessel transports passengers along the Sumida River, providing panoramic views of the city's most famous landmarks. The Himiko's sleek, curved design and expansive windows give it a futuristic look while allowing riders to enjoy uninterrupted views of the city skyline, Tokyo Skytree, and Rainbow Bridge. Inside, the Himiko is designed with passenger comfort in mind, offering wide, luxurious seating and ample space for sightseeing. It's a far cry from the traditional ferry experience. This water bus is a piece of moving art, celebrating Tokyo's unique blend of culture, innovation, and elegance. Whether you're a local or a visitor, the Himiko Water Bus is a must-try for anyone looking to experience Tokyo from a new perspective. Humdinga. The Humdinga, by Gibbs Amphibians, is a powerhouse of versatility and resilience, capable of conquering land and water with ease. This amphibious vehicle is designed to transition seamlessly between terrains, reaching speeds of 30 miles per hour on water and handling off-road challenges on land. Powered by a robust 300-horsepower engine, the Humdinga is built for those who need a vehicle that can tackle extreme environments, whether it's for search and rescue missions, rugged off-road expeditions, or recreational adventures. Its design includes a retractable hull and a unique suspension system, allowing it to effortlessly transform from a 4x4 vehicle to a watercraft in seconds. The Humdinga's rugged exterior is complemented by advanced navigation and safety systems, making it a reliable option for tackling the unknown. For adventurers who dream of a vehicle that blurs the line between land and sea, the Humdinga offers unprecedented freedom and capability. Jet Capsule GT-F. The Jet Capsule GT-F is redefining personal yachting with a sleek, compact design that's perfect for those who want luxury on a smaller, more intimate scale. Shaped like a futuristic pod, This mini yacht is surprisingly spacious, with enough room for up to 12 passengers and customizable interiors that include everything from a kitchenette and bathroom to a rooftop sun deck. The GT-F's body is constructed from advanced composite materials, allowing it to be lightweight yet durable, which contributes to its impressive speed and fuel efficiency. Its enclosed cabin provides shelter from the elements, while large windows and a panoramic windshield allow for incredible views from every angle. Ideal for private getaways, coastal explorations, or small parties, the jet Capsule GT-F offers the luxury and comfort of a full-size yacht in a more personal, flexible package. This vessel is perfect for anyone seeking a unique, stylish way to travel on water without compromising on amenities or performance. BMW Icon. The BMW Icon concept yacht takes the automaker's signature style, performance, and commitment to sustainability and applies it to the marine world. With a streamlined aerodynamic profile, the Icon represents the pinnacle of elegance, blending minimalistic design with cutting-edge marine engineering. Powered by electric propulsion, the yacht offers a quieter and cleaner ride, reducing environmental impact without sacrificing power or speed. Inside, the BMW Icon is equipped with high-end materials and advanced technology inspired by the brand's luxury vehicles, providing a sophisticated experience for passengers. The yacht's spacious interior, expansive deck space, and panoramic views make it an ideal setting for socializing, relaxing, or simply enjoying the sea. Designed with both luxury and sustainability in mind, the BMW Icon is a groundbreaking step toward eco-conscious yachting, demonstrating that style and responsibility can go hand in hand. Racebird. The Racebird is an innovative electric boat specifically designed for high-speed racing, bringing sustainability to the thrilling world of water sports. As the first hydrofoiling electric race boat, the Racebird lifts above the water at high speeds, allowing it to reach impressive velocities while drastically reducing drag and conserving energy. Created for the E1 series, the world's first all-electric powerboat championship, the Racebird is transforming the face of competitive water sports. Its advanced design includes a sleek, aerodynamic body, powerful electric motors, and precise controls, all engineered to maximize speed and agility on the water. With zero emissions and a focus on clean energy, the Racebird is leading the charge in sustainable racing technology, showcasing how innovation and environmental responsibility can elevate the excitement of competitive sport. Kormaran K7. The Kormaran K7 is an extraordinary shape-shifting watercraft that embodies the future of adaptive luxury on the water. Featuring a multifunctional trimaran design, the K7 can transform between a monohull, a stable trimaran, and even a luxurious sunbathing platform with the press of a button. Equipped with hydrofoils, this vessel can rise above the water for a smooth, drag-free ride that improves speed and efficiency. The K7's interior is just as impressive, boasting high-end materials and customizable seating that create a comfortable, luxurious atmosphere. Designed with versatility in mind, the K7 adapts seamlessly to various needs, whether it's for a high-speed adventure, a leisurely cruise, or a relaxing day in the sun. This innovative boat provides an unmatched level of control and adaptability, making it perfect for those who value flexibility and sophistication in their marine experiences. The Kormaran K7 isn't just a boat. It's an engineering masterpiece that showcases the future of luxury watercraft.